Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today we are going to read the calendar.
I
Okay?
say this.
Going to read the calendar. Did you see the calendar before?
Yes.
So what we can see in the calendar? We can see the days and months. No? We can see the days and months. It's a record of days and months in a year. It's a record of days and months in a year. I will show you the calendar of 2021, the going on year. Okay. Now, which month is going on?
November.
November. Okay. The month going on is November. This year calendar I will show you. No need to take the notebook or textbook. Listen to ma'am. Okay. Now, let me share the screen. You can see the calendar here. Calendar of 2021. Here you can see the different months. January, the first month. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the last month is December. Here you can see the days also. It's written this first letter of all the days. Starting with Sunday, S. Monday, M. T, Tuesday. W, Wednesday. T, Thursday. F, Friday, Saturday. In the calendar, you can see how many days are there in each month. You can also see the February having how many days? How many days in February?
29.
8. 2021. In 2021, you can see the February having 28 days. So it's not a leap year. It's a normal year having only 28 days. That means 365 days are there as a whole. Okay. Here we're having only 28 days. So total number of days in the year it is 365. So a calendar is a record of all the days and months in a year. A calendar is a record of all the days and months in a year. It orders time into days, weeks, and months. And you can see the red colored dates. If you're taking January, you can see 3, 3rd, 10th, 17th, 24, and 31. These dates are marked as red color. That means they are holidays.
Holidays.
Sunday is a holiday. So holidays are marked in red color. Now from this 2021 calendar, I am taking the month of October. You can see the October month calendar here. Can you see the October month calendar?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's read the calendar. Let's read the calendar. Here, let us see when this October month is starting. Which day?
Friday.
It starts on Friday. You can see the 1st of October. It is Friday. 1st of October. It is Friday. What about the last day, the 31st day of October? Which day?
Sunday.
It's Sunday. It's Sunday. So the October month starts on Friday, ends on Sunday. Now, here we can see how many days, means how many Sundays are there in October 2021. How many Sundays are there? See, 3rd is a Sunday, 10th is a Sunday, 17th is a Sunday, 24th is a Sunday, 31st is also a Sunday. So we can see there are 5 Sundays. Now, how many Mondays are there? We can see 4th is a Monday, 11th is a Monday, 18th is a Monday, 25th is also a Monday. So there are 4 Mondays. Now, how many Tuesdays are there? 5th is a Tuesday, 12th is a Tuesday, 19th is also a Tuesday, 26th is also a Tuesday. So 4 Tuesdays are there. Now, what about Wednesdays? 6th is a Wednesday, 13th is a Wednesday, 28th is a Wednesday, 27th is also a Wednesday. So there are 4 Wednesdays. Now let us see the Thursdays. 7th is a Thursday, 14th is a Thursday, 21st is a Thursday, 28th is also a Thursday. That means there are 4 Thursdays. Now let us see Friday. 1st is a Friday, 8th is a Friday, 15th is a Friday, 22nd is a Friday, 29th is also a Friday. So altogether there are 5 Fridays. Now let us see how many Saturdays are there. 2nd is a Saturday, 9 is a Saturday, 16th is a Saturday, 23rd is a Saturday, 30th is also a Saturday. So there are 5 Saturdays. So this month, October 2021 starts on Friday and ends on Sunday. Now, let me ask you one thing. How many days are there in the month of October 2021? How many days are there?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
How many days are there? Total number of days. It's
31.
31. There are 31 days in the month of October. Now, you can see the 3rd October is a Sunday. Okay. 3rd October. Which day? It's a Sunday. Now, when is the next Sunday?
10th.
It is 10th. Okay. 3rd is a Sunday. The next Sunday is coming on 10th. Now, it's given the calendar. So you can easily identify which is the next Sunday. Now, let me ask you another question. See, 2nd is a Saturday, 2nd of October. It's a Saturday. When is the next Saturday? 9th. It's on 9th. Now, listen here. See, 6th is a Wednesday. 6th is a Wednesday. Which is the next Wednesday? 13th. It's it falls on 13th. Okay. Now, 12th is a Tuesday. Which is the next Tuesday? 19th. Listen here. One more thing. See, October 2021, the calendar is given. So easily you can identify. But if the calendar is not given, okay, calendar is not given and it is asked, 3rd Sunday is a 3rd of October is a Sunday. When is the next Sunday? Our calendar is not given. So how we will find out? How we will find out the next Sunday? So listen here. See, 3rd October. 3rd October is a Sunday. So how will you find out the next Sunday? How will you find out the next Sunday? If the calendar is given, we can identify easily. But the calendar is not given. So what we will do? We will do. What we will do? We will add 7 days. Means 1 week we have to add. After the next 1 week, the same day is coming. That means 3 plus 7. What is 3 plus 7? 10. 3 plus 7, it is 10. So the same answer we will get it now. The next Sunday is on 10th. The next Sunday is on 10th. Okay. So if the calendar is not given, if the question is asked like this, you can add 7 to the given number. You will get the next day. That means I will give you another example. Okay. Another example. See, 5th. Yes, Pravrati.
Saturday is not in green color.
Yes, Parvati. Green color. Saturday is given as a green color. Okay. It's in this is another calendar. Means what we can say. Sometimes we can see some other colors. No. If it is a red color, it's a holiday. Okay. If it is a red color, it's a holiday. Saturday as it's depend upon the what we can say making it, this calendar is made by another company or something like that. So they put the this Saturday as green color. That's all. If it is a red color, it's a holiday. That's all. Now listen here. See, 5th October. 5th October. Which day it is? 5th October.
Tuesday.
It's a Tuesday. 5th October is a Tuesday. Now, when is the next Tuesday? Calendar is not there. See, calendar is not there.
12th.
It's given 12. That's right only. But if calendar is not given, how we will find out? We will add 7. So 5 plus 7. What's the answer? 5 plus 7. We will get the answer 12. So the same answer we will get it. Now you got an idea. See, if the day is given, we have to find out the next, the same day is coming. When is the same day is coming next? So we have to add 7 to the given number. Okay, understood? So we can find out the next same day. So is it clear the calendar? Calendar means it's a record of days and months. It's a record of days and months. Now, please, yes, Wilfred.
This we will send in the group.
No need to send in the group. Just I took one example for explaining. That's all. No need to study this.
I join only this time.
Which time?
This time.
No, for explaining the calendar, I took a picture from other book. That's all, my dear. Okay, we will discuss the question related to the calendar. So it will be more clear to you, Wilfred. Okay, now all of you please take your workbook part 2. Take workbook part 2. Take workbook part 2.
Ma'am, which page?
Page number 1. The same page you can see on the screen also.
Okay, ma'am.
Same page you can see on the screen also.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now here after some time you can see some questions related to the calendar. So it will be more easy for you to understand the calendar. Okay. Now let's see the first question. We have some fill in the blanks first. Multiple choice questions. And here we first let's start. Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are Evelyn, you got the part 2 workbook? Anushka, stand for video, Anushka.
Ma'am, Advait can read first question.
I will call out Advait.
Take
the book.
Take more time.
Please mute your device. I will call out the name. That's better. Okay, now question number 1. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which of the following takes more time? These type of questions we already completed in standard 1. Are you remembering? Some activities take more time, some activities take less time. The same type of questions. So here we have question number 1. Which of the following takes more time? So here we have some options. Option A, saying your name. Option B, writing your name. Option C, saying 1 to 100. D, writing 1 to 100. Advaita PM, which will take more time? Writing
1 to
100. Very good. So you can put a tick mark for option D, writing 1 to 100, and you can write the capital letter D inside the bracket. So let's move to 2.
Yeah.
Now, number 2. Here we have, listen to the question carefully. Travel by which of the following takes less time? Travel by which of the following takes less time? Karthik? Option A, riding a bicycle. Option B, walking. Option C, going in an auto rickshaw. Option D, going in a car. Karthik, which take less time? Option D, going in a car. It takes less time. That means we reach early there. So option D is the correct answer. Please put a tick mark for option D and write capital letter D inside the bracket.
Ma'am, if I can answer the next question.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is can I answer the next question? Ma'am.
Question number 3. Please listen. How can you travel the fastest from one city to another? We have to reach early. Means how can you travel the fastest? Okay. Now it's given here by rickshaw, by train, by bicycle, by bus. Which is the correct answer? Train. See, one city to another. One city to another. So if you are going by train, we will reach early. That means it will take less time. So by train is the correct answer. Please write capital B inside the bracket.
Ma'am, Tirtha can answer the next question.
Yes. Others will write. So here again we have some multiple choice questions, and here we have question number 4. There are dash months in a year. Tita, what's the answer? Very simple one, no? Option A 12, option B 11, option C 10, option D 9.
Ma'am, Parvati can.
Option A 12. So please put a tick mark for option A 12. Write capital letter A inside the brackets. Now, Parvati, tell me the next one. Okay. Question number 5.
April has dash days.
How many days are there in April? Is it 365 or 30 or 31 or 30? Yes, it's 30. So please put a tick mark for option B 30 and write capital letter B inside the bracket.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Now, Joseph Sibi, tell me the next one. 6th one. Dash is the 7th month of the year. We have the options. Option A, July. Option B, June. Option C, May. Option D, August.
July.
Joseph, which is the 7th month of the year?
July. June.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Yes, July. So option A, July. So you can write capital letter A inside the brackets. Those who have completed page number 1, please move to page number 2. So here we have again fill in the blanks. So let's move to page number 2.
Yes.
Yes. So Dhyan case, tell me the answer. Here we have fill in the blanks question number 7. Dash full weeks in a month. Dhyan, how many full weeks are there in a month?
Ma'am.
Full weeks.
7.
Not the days. Full weeks.
7.
Huh?
Ma'am.
How many full weeks are there in a month? 4. Yes, the answer is 4. You can write number 4 or you can write the spelling F-O-U-R, 4. There are 4 full weeks in a month. Read the question carefully. It's not ask the days. Okay, it's ask full weeks in a month. So the answer is 4. There are 4 full weeks in a month. Now let's move to the next one. Question number 8. 10 years make a dash. Mitra, what's the answer? 10 years make a
Decade.
yes, decade. So what's the spelling? Uh,
D-E-C-A-D-E.
very good. Decade, decade. 10 years make a decade. What about 100 years?
Century.
Century, yes, it's century. Decade. Now, question number 9. 7 days make a dash. Anurag, 7 days make a
Week.
week. What's the spelling? Week, Anurag.
W-E-E-K.
W
W-E-E-K.
WEEK. 7 days make a week. Then we have very short answer questions and it's related to the calendar. Okay. Now, Wilfred, listen carefully. Okay. Now, here we have, look at the calendar given below. Answer the questions from 10 to 12. Wilfred, what's the calendar given? Which month calendar? Which month calendar, Wilfred?
July.
It's July 2019. July 2019. You can see the month starts on Monday and it will end at 31st July, that is Wednesday. Now, let's see the questions. Here we have question number 10. How many days are there in July, Jennifer? How many days are there in July 2019? How many days are there?
30.
Is it a 30? Then what about 31? You can see the number 31 here, no?
31.
How many days are there?
31.
31 days are there. So the answer is 31 days. How many days are there in July? The answer is 31 days.
Ma'am, there are 32 days.
Yes, my dear?
There are 32 days.
32 days. Where?
In July.
Eh? Yes, Sam Tom? Please turn on your video and tell me. How many days are there in July, Sam Tom?
31.
How many days are there, Sam Tom?
31.
31 days are there in July 2019. So let's move to number 11. Question number 11.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If 6th July, you can see 6th July. What is the day? 6th July. It's Saturday. If 6th July is a Saturday, when is the next Saturday? When is the next Saturday, Arjun Krishna?
30. 30.
It's 13th July. So you can write 13th July. The calendar is given, so we can identify easily. If calendar is not given, just add 7. So 6 plus 7, you will get the answer 13, the same number. So if 6th July is a Saturday, when is the next Saturday? 13th July.
Finish, ma'am.
So let's move to number 12. And here we have, how many Sundays are there in the calendar of July 2019? Bhagyashree, how many Sundays are there?
4.
Bhagyashree? 4. There are 4 Sundays. So you can write 4 Sundays. 7th is a Sunday. 14th is a Sunday, 21st is a Sunday, 28th is also a Sunday. So there are 4 Sundays.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good. 4th is a, 7th is a Sunday. 14th is a Sunday. 21st is also a Sunday. 28th is also a Sunday.
Completed.
So let's move to question number 13.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We have, look at the calendar given below. Answer the following questions. And you can see the calendar of January 2019. January 2019, and the questions are given on the next page. And question A. Here we have the first question, that is, how many Saturdays, Sundays and Mondays are there? Azaria, tell me, how many Saturdays are there? Azaria? How many Saturdays are there? Azaria, how many Saturdays are there?
Saturdays.
How many Saturdays are there in the month of January 2019?
4. 5.
Azaria, tell me the answer. How many Saturdays are there?
4. 5.
There are 4 Saturdays. You can see 5th is a Saturday, 12th is a Saturday, 19th is a Saturday, and 26th is also a Saturday. We will write after some time. Please listen here. Now, it's also asked how many Sundays. Nived, how many Sundays are there? Nived, how many Sundays are there? How many Sundays are there in the month of January 2019? 4. Very good. 6th is a Sunday, 13th is a Sunday, 28th is also a Sunday, 27th is also a Sunday. Now, let's see the next one. See, how many Mondays are there? Shiva Madhav, how many Mondays are there? Shiva Madhav, how many Mondays are there?
4.
Shiva Madhav will tell me the answer. How many Mondays are there in the month of January? 4. 7th is a Monday, 14th is a Monday, 21st is a Monday, 28th is also a Monday. Now let's write the answer. Okay. A.
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali can next.
Yes. Let's write the answer. 4 Saturdays. Please write the answer. 4 Saturdays. Spelling is there in the question. 4 Saturdays.
Please wait for me.
Sundays. Four Saturdays, 4 Sundays, and 4 Mondays. And 4 Mondays. Four Saturdays, 4 Sundays, and 4 Mondays.
Ma'am, date finished 17th question.
Okay, good. Now, Muhammad Ali, what about the next question? List out the dates that fall on a Sunday. List out the days fall on a Sunday. See, the Sundays are falls on. Muhammad Ali, which all the dates?
7.
What is 7?
Sun.
See, we can see the Sundays. No? In the month of January 2019. Which all dates you can see the Sundays? Muhammad Ali. 6th is Sunday. Which is the next one?
30.
13th is a Sunday. Next one. 20th is a Sunday. Now, next one.
27.
27th is also a Sunday. So let's write the answer. B, we have 6th, 13th, 20th, comma 37th. 6th is Sunday, 13th is a Sunday, 20th is a Sunday, 27th is also a Sunday. So let's move to question number 14. Let's move to question number 14.
Yeah.
Yes. And again, we can see the calendar of.
Finish. Please wait, mommy.
Oh, okay, write the answer. The same pages I will send in the group also. You don't worry. So we have the last question. Look at the calendar given below. Answer the questions that follow. March 2019. And here we have question number 8. Question A. How many Thursdays are there? Bennett, how many Thursdays are there in the month of March 2019? How many Thursdays are there? 4. So we can write the answer. 4 Thursdays. Thursday spelling is already there in the question. THURSDAYS. 4 Thursdays. Four Thursdays. Now B, we have list out the dates that fall on a Friday. So which all Fridays are there? The date. Friday. Let's see the Friday. Here we can see the Fridays. Evina, will you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you tell me the answer? The dates that fall on a Friday. Which is the first Friday?
One.
First. First is a Friday. Then?
8.
8th. 8th is a Friday. Then?
15.
15th. 15th is a Friday. Then?
22.
22nd or 22. 22nd is a Friday. 22nd. Then the last one?
29.
29th. So please write the answer. First, 8th, 15th, 22nd and 29th.
Completed.
Okay, good.
Have completed.
Stop keeping the sharing. Now, we will continue the next class. Okay, the seasons and all will continue the next class. So thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye.